everyone, and welcome to the exciting world of the VersiFlex decorating system. VersiFlex is a game-changing, patented decorating system that uses Sawgrass-backed software, industry-trusted printers, revolutionary inks, and specialized papers to allow custom decoration of a variety of materials such as cotton, linen, suede, untreated wood, unglazed ceramic, and more. Together, they work to create the most flexible decorating system on the market. In this video, you will learn more about the full capabilities of the system, including the different projects you are able to create, how to bring these projects to life, and everything you need to know when operating the different components of VersiFlex. You will also see how to properly unbox, set up, and work with your new VersiFlex printer. We are very glad that you decided to take this exciting next step with Sawgrass. Let's get started. The VersiFlex decorating system is available in two different printer models, the SG500 and the SG1000. The SG500 model is a compact desktop printer that prints on a standard 8.5 by 11 or A4 sheets of paper. This model is great for printing smaller items such as coasters, mugs, mouse pads, smaller photo slates, tumblers, and more. The SG1000 is our larger model that allows printing on 11 by 17 or A3 paper sizes, or up to 13 by 19 paper if needed. This model is ideal for creating t-shirts, home decor, larger awards, and more. Both printers are fully capable of working with a bypass tray or option tray to further increase paper flexibility. Regardless of which printer size you choose, the VersiFlex system offers a complete decorative system using patented inks, specialized paper, and a Sawgrass-backed software platform that allows custom decoration on a wide variety of materials. To learn more about VersiFlex, we encourage you to explore sawgrassinc.com and take full advantage of our education material. We have an extensive library of videos and articles that are designed to help you master your new printer. These include quick tip videos covering specific projects, as well as other important VersiFlex information. Congratulations on the purchase of your new VersiFlex printer. We can't wait to see what you create.